Cosplay World, we're back and we're making some wings. Now I'm going to go over some of the basic structure of these wings, but if you want to go into like the mechanics and the hardware and things like that, there's an extended version for you guys at finalcosplayer.com. There's also pictures and of course with details and things like that too if you're interested as well. So these are nice big old 8-foot wings and they come off. They're actually a backpack kind of two-part piece. You wear a harness underneath your costume, and then through a hole in the back, or buttonholes, I think there's actually a flap because of the design of the coat, you then put the backpack on with PVC pipe, boom, slots on, actually like a mecha. And then you can put the wings on and off. You'll need someone else to obviously help you with that because it's on your back, but you can, choose not to wear these or wear these whether you want to walk around in. Additionally, they collapse. These are designed after the traditional kind of wing boxing glove leverage system, and so they collapse up and down underneath. They have the regular biology word. They have the regular design of a wing, so they have 3 main sections allowing you to fold them into place. You see, I have a base plate here, and we're going to attach these sort of bones made of MDF to them, and they'll be levers against each other. The main section is MDF, and then we're going to cover them with a bit of mesh to transition from this light wood to allow the feathers to be attached. The feathers are also attached with a bit of hot glue, and we're going to be going with turkey feathers. Yeah, turkey feathers to stub the turkey feathers, because there's a few different sizes of feathers you saw in the design. It actually has a couple different layers. There it is. Yeah, different layers there. And then we're gonna finish off with some chicken feathers because the design called for shorter plumage. It's also going to be pretty good at hiding all the wood stuffs we're making here underneath. So you see we have a spring here. The spring is what's going to be powering our wings, allowing it to open and close. It's not a pull string one. It's a spring in the back. And we just kind of allow the spring to do the work for us. So its natural state is actually in the open position. So there you go. When we want to put it away, we kind of smush it down and lock it in place, and that's how that goes. So here it is. We can, yeah, here it is. It looks good. It has a harness there. You can see underneath. It goes again underneath the costume. And it's all fitted with buckles and stuff so that you can hide it and custom fit it and work out well. In the back, let me show you the backpack section. You can detach it, well, you'll again need the help of a friend to do that, because obviously once you have the harness underneath your costume on, it's gonna be pretty hard to actually get at the mechanism in the back here. And yeah, you can see here are the actual parts of the wing, the mechanics of the wing, and you can put this away fairly easily. I hope you guys enjoy. Next time we're going to make a full cosplay. It's Velvet from Tales of. I'll see you guys there. Bye! If you like this, there's actually a more in-depth version over at finalcosplayer.com. Check out the link in the description. Good times to all. Rah!